everyone and welcome to another session of vocabulary. In this session we will be doing vocabulary with the help of root method. In session number 1 and 2 I have already explained that how to learn words with root method, so you can check it out there. In this session the root word is miso. As you can see, the root word for today is miso. Miso means to hate. Miso means to hate. So this whole session will be about hatred. So let's start with our first word. Okay, so our first word is misogynist. Misogynist. Firstly, we can split this as miso and gynist. Okay, we know that miso means to hate. So we can write here miso means hate. And the word gynist is derived from the word gyne. This word gynist is derived from the word gyne, which means woman. Which means woman. So misogynist basically is a person who hates women. One who hates woman is a misogynist person. One who hates woman. Clear? So one who hates woman is a misogynist person. Clear? Now, second word. Next word is misandrist. Misandrist. Firstly, we can split it as mis and andrist. Clear? अब जो ये word miss है, ये कौन से word से derive हुआ है? From the word miso. The word miss is derived from the word miso. Clear? And andrist. Andrist word is derived from the word andros. Andrist is derived from the word andros, which means man. Which means man. And the mis word is derived from the word miso, which means hate. Which means hate. So misandrist is a person, one who hates man. One who hates man is a misandrist person. Clear? Misandrist is a person who hates man. Clear this word? Now, next word is misogynist. Misogynist. Again, we can do splitting as miso and nist. We know that miso means hate. Miso means hate. And the word nist is derived from the word neos. The word nist is derived from the word neos. अब neos word से क्या पता लग रहा है? What does neos means? Neos. We're saying neos. So neos means new. इसी वर्ड से भी पता लग गया इसका मीनिंग क्या था? Neos means new. या फिर you can say innovative. Or you can say innovative. So one who hate innovation, we say na, I want some innovative ideas, means I want new ideas. And so misogynist is a person who hates innovative things, who hate innovative ideas. So we can say hater of innovative things. We can say hater of innovative things or hater of new things is a misogynist person. Clear the meaning of misogynist? Now, move on to the next word. Next word is misologist. Misologist. Firstly, we will split it as miso and logist. Clear? Miso we have already learned. Miso means hate. Logist वर्ड से ही पता लग रहा है कि logist means logic. That logist means logic. So the person who hates logic, or you can say one who hates reasoning. You can say one who hates reasoning, one who hates logic. You can say hater of logics. Hater of logics is a misologist person. Misologist, hater of logics. Clear this word? Now moving on to the next word. Okay. Now I have written three words. Misomator, misopater and misopedist. Three words are misomator, misopater and misopedist. Firstly, we will do splitting of these three words. Miso. Matter, patter and pedest. Clear? We have done the splitting. Miso means hate. In each case, miso means hatred or hate. Okay. I am doing the explanation here. Miso plus matter. Miso plus matter. Miso means hate. This we all know. Matter means mother. Matter means mother. Next word see. Miso plus patter. Miso, we all know that miso means hatred and pater means father. Clear? Third word. Miso plus pedest. Miso plus pedest means hatred, and the word pedest derived from the word pedo. This word is derived from the word pedo, which means children. So here are the three words: misomator, misopater and misopedist. Okay, now understand these words. So we can say one who hates one's mother. Clear? Next, one who hates one's father. Clear? One who hates children. Or you can say hater of children. So these three words मैंने इसीलिए ये तीनों वर्ड्स साथ में लिखे थे क्योंकि matter means mother, pater means father and pedest means children. So hater of mother, one who hates mother is misomator. One who hates one's father is misopater. One who hates children, or hater of children is a misopedist person. Okay. So next word is misogamist. So we can split this as miso and gamist. So miso means to hate. You can say hatred or hater. Here, gamist Gamist is derived from the word gammy. Gamist is derived from the word gammy. Gammy means marriage. Okay, अभी अपने आप को समझ आ गया. Hate marriage. One who hates marriage. Hater of marriages. Clear? So you can say one who hates marriage. One who hates marriage is a misogamist person. Is a misogamist person. Gamist is derived from the word gammy, which means marriage, and miso means hate. So hater of marriage, or one who hates marriage, is a misogamist person. Clear? Okay. So our last word for today is iatromesia. Iatromesia. Firstly, we'll do splitting of this word iatro and mesia. अब mesia word किससे derive हुआ होगा? Mesia word is derived from the word meso. Mesia word is derived from the word meso. And what does meso means? Meso means hate. Meso means hate. And what does iatro means? What does this word iatro means? Iatro means medical profession. Iatro means medical profession. So there are two kinds of people. There are two types of people. First, who loves medical profession, and second, who don't love medical profession, or you can say who hates medical profession. So iatromesia is the word, means hatred of medical profession. वो person जो medical profession को hate करता है, who never wants to go to the medical profession. Clear? So iatromesia. Mesia means derived from the word meso, which means hate. Iatro means medical profession. Then say one who hates medical profession. One who hates medical profession, or you can also say hater of medical profession. Okay, so we did the root word meso today. Meso was hatred. Okay, so this was the word meso, which means hate. Meso means hate. Clear? So this was the session for today, and don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel English Plus.